Brent Slava, Nick Donato checking in from your Benzinga news desk. We got a couple questions. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, ladies and gentlemen. We got a couple of questions ahead of Valentine's Day. What's a good Valentine's Day trade? So Nick and I considering a little bit, and we said, why not we go the easy route? Let's look at some flower plays. So we're going to do a quick comparison here of 1-800-Flowers, ticker is Foxtrot Lima, Whiskey Sandy, and FTD companies, Foxtrot Tango Delta. So interesting here, I was kind of thinking that, I was thinking a little bit contrarian here. I was thinking that into Valentine's Day, I was imagining these flower companies were actually going to be selling off, kind of a contrarian play there. For 1-800-Flowers does not look to be the case. From the period of February 1st to Valentine's Day, which is February 14th, Flowers, 1-800-Flowers has risen 5 years in a row. So far in 2017, the stock is up 5%. So far, in 2016, from February 1st to Valentine's Day 2016, the stock was up 10%. In 2015, over that same period, stock was up 32%. 2014, it was up 5%. In 2013, it was also up 5%. Believe it or not, 2012 was the last time that shares of 1-800-Flowers did not rally into Valentine's Day. And a quick note on that, the company does usually report earnings right before Valentine's Day, so you do get some price action on there. Let's jump over to FTD real quick. So FTD, on the other side of that, is up 6% since February 1st of 2017. 2016, 2015, 2014, it did not move running up into Valentine's Day. So just some interesting historical price action there. Tell us a little bit about some comments you got from a notable analyst on the name.
Yeah. So we are obviously not flower stock experts. So I reached out to Benchmark's Daniel Kurnos, great analyst on the street, and he said that this year you might see a little bit bigger impacts, just strictly because they're shifting from Sunday, which was Valentine's Day last year, to Tuesday. Okay. He expects $8 million of increased revenue for 1-800-Flowers. And, one of the things that he really wanted to highlight is that, it's not as big of an impact for 1-800-Flowers on this day because they do more of everyday gifting. But the reason why it might be a little bit better this year is they continue to take share from FTD. Okay. And so, this year you'll definitely see a little bit bigger bump than usual. And although it's a big catalyst, maybe a little bit more muted compared to the rest of the year, which was kind of interesting in my mind.
Okay, so Brent Slava and Nick Donato checking in from the Benzinga news desk, giving you traders and investors a couple ideas for how you might be able to play Valentine's Day.
Have a good one.